Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel, myself Dr. Leena. As you all know that I am uploading videos on previous year questions asked in IIT JAM and CSIR NET. Today we will discuss some questions. So let us take up first question. The value of limit x and y approaches to 2 minus 2 root x minus y minus 2 divided by x minus y minus 4 is, four options are given to you: 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So how to solve this? Now what will we do? But we are given limit x, y approaches to 2 minus 2 root x minus y minus 2 divided by x minus y minus 4. So what will we do? We will rationalize it. So what it becomes? Root x minus y minus 2 divided by x minus y minus 4 limit x y it approaches to 2 minus 2. So what will we do? We will rationalize it. So root x minus y plus 2 root x minus y plus 2. So you can see in the numerator we have a minus b, a plus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. So it becomes limit xy approaches to 2 minus 2. So what you will get, x minus y minus 4 divided by x minus y minus 4 root x minus y plus 2. Right? Now the two terms in the numerator and denominator goes. So these two get cancelled out. So we are left with limit xy approaches to 2 minus 2. This is 1 by root x minus y plus 2. So substitute the value of x and y. What will we get? We will get 2 minus 2 under root plus 2, which is equal to root 4, and root 4 is 2. So we will get 2 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Next we have, let P be a vector space over R of all polynomials of degree less than equal to 3 with real coefficients. Consider the linear transformation T from P to P defined by T of A plus Bx plus Cx square plus Dx cube. This is equal to D plus Cx plus Bx square plus Ax cube. Then the matrix representation M of T with respect to ordered basis 1x, x square, x cube satisfies one of these quantities. So this question is asked in IIT JAM 2016. So what we have to do, first of all we will find, let us take on the another page. T transformation is A plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube. This is equal to d plus cx plus dx square plus cx cube. Now the set of ordered bases is 1x, x square and x cube. So what will we find? We will first of all find t of 1. So t of 1, this will be t of 1 plus 0 into x, 0 into x square, 0 into x cube. We have to find the matrix associated with this transformation. So our A is C, B and this is A, sorry. So this is equal to, our A is 1. So 0 plus 0 into x, 0 into x square plus 1 into x cube. Next we have t of x. So t of x is t of 0 plus 1x. Here our b is 1. X square plus 0 x cube. This is equal to, our b is 1. So 0 plus 0 into x plus 1 into x square plus 0 into x cube. Next we have t of x square. So what you will get? T of 0 plus 0 into x plus 1 into x square plus d into x cube. So c is 1. So what we have? 0 plus 1 into x plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x cube. Next we have t of x cube. So t of x cube, this is equal to, now our d is 1. So 0 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square plus 1 into x cube. This is equal to 1 plus 0 into x, 0 into x square, 0 into x cube. So our matrix, this will be M, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1. First column will be this one. Second column will be 0, 0, 1, 0. Third column is 0, 1, 0, 0. And fourth column is 1, 0, 0, 0. Clear? So how we have taken these quantities? We have taken 0, 0, 0 and 1 as the first column, then 0, 0, 1, 0 as the second column and so on. Now what will we find? We have to prove the result. So what will we do? We will find M square. So M square will be square of two matrices. And when you square these two matrices, what you will get? You will get I4. You know how to multiply two matrices. These are 4 by 4 matrices. So just multiply these two. On multiplying, you will get I4. Means identity matrix of order 4. So what will we get? So what the result is? M square minus I4. This is equal to 0. So this is the answer. So out of 4 options, this option is correct. Next we have, let A is a matrix of order 3 and V be a vector space of all x belongs to R cube such that Ax is equal to 0, then dimension of V is. So we have to find the dimension of vector space V. Now A matrix is given to us. So A, this is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 5 and 3. So we will first of all we will find the rank of this matrix. So how we will find the rank? We will change this matrix to the rational form. All of you are aware of the rational form. So we will apply the elementary row operation. First operation will be R2 minus 3R1, then R3 minus R1. So what you will get? You will get 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 3 times 1, 0, minus 1 minus 3 times 1, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, and then 1 minus 3 times 1. So you will get minus 2. Again you have 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. For second row, you have 1 minus 3 times 1. So 1 minus 3 times 1 is 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, it's correct. And this you have 1 minus 1 minus 3 times this. So here it will be minus 4. So some correction is there. Now what will we do? Apply R3 plus R2. So what will we get? We will get 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 0, 0. Now we have reduced the matrix A to the rational form. So rank of this matrix, rank of A, what it will be? It will be number of pivots. Number of pivots are 1 and minus 4. So number of pivots are 2. So rank of this matrix is 2. Now we know that for a homogeneous system, dimension of V, this is given by n order of the matrix minus rank of the matrix. This is R. N is 3 because order of the matrix is 3. So what you will get? 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So dimension of V is 1. So answer B is correct. This is the answer. Clear? Next we have, consider the subspace W having x1, x2, x3, x10. It belongs to R10. Xn, this is equal to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 for n lies between 3 and 10 of the vector space R10. The dimension of W is, you have to find the dimension of W. So what we are given? We are given xn, this is equal to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2. So n varies from 3 to 10. So write down x3 it will be, put n as 3, so this will be x 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Then x4. So x4 will be x3 plus x2. Substitute the value of x2. This is x2 plus x1 plus x2, which is equal to 2x2 plus x1. Then what will be x5? x5 will be x4 plus x3. x4 is 2x2 plus x1 and x4 is 3x4 is this one, then x3 is x2 plus x1. So what we are getting 3x2 plus 2x1 and so on. And so on. So what we are seeing that every xi this is the linear combination of x1 and x2. Every xi this is the linear combination of x1 and x2. So the dimension of w, this will be 2. So 2 is the right answer. So A option is correct. So this question is asked in IIT JAM in 2014. So this is all about the questions. So just subscribe the channel and share and like as much as possible. Thanks to all.